We found a very weird Easter egg on my friend's iPad. Okay, so in Minecraft. Okay, so you see he has a zombie mask. Okay, now go and kill yourself with TNT. Go. This is an Easter egg. Okay, now respawn. See? He has a skeleton head now when he had a zombie head. Let's replay that again. So, he has a zombie head. He's gonna get his on MC3 Master. There it is. Okay. Okay, so now he has a Steve head. He's gonna go kill himself again with a TNT. And I'm not stopping to pause. So, this is completely true. Okay, so he's gonna kill himself and see no cuts, and then just check your mask. See? How's that? Hopefully you guys like this video and like and subscribe.